guys, today I will show you how to fix the select interrupter error. First, I go to Google, I write python.org. Downloads, I can go to Windows, select your platform. I will choose Windows Installer 64 bits. And now it's installed, I will click on it. We can see here, install now, customize installation. I will choose add Python XE to path, and then I click install now.
2,000 years later.
Once it's installed, I'll click select interrupter. I play enter interrupter file. I play find. I will find where did I put my Python. I can find it here, and then I find Python and find .w. I click Python, select interrupter, and now it's set. I click run Python file. We can see the sum of 10 and 20 is 30.